So I've stripped this ottoman, bedding box, chest, anybody wants to call it. It could be also called a coffer. So stripped it, been varnished beforehand. It needed stripping because of the flood damage that was on it. It was up to about there. You can very slightly see a dark colour going across the bottom. But I have stripped it. The stain will get rid of that. I'll get a video of me putting the stain on. It looks amazing, so I'll get back to you. Quick of the sanding. It's very boring, so that's why I didn't show you on the stripping. Just want to get to the polishing. Walnut stain. It's an oil-based stain. It's traditional polishing, really. So I've got some weak English white oak stain in there. You won't know what I'm talking about, so won't try to bore you with it. Pouring some walnut stain in there because I want to get that colour. Walnut's quite red and deep. You can see that there. Yeah, I reckon that. Not far off that. I've left my tripod at home, so it's going to be a struggle with this, doing this together. I need to put my gloves on. So gloves back on. Yeah, my stain's in here. It's absolutely going to fall apart in a second, so I'm going to have to change glove again. Doesn't last that. Right, so we've got the walnut stain. See it? Let's have a look. I'm going to hold you. So that's the colour we're after. And I think that's it, so I'm going to just go straight for it. Here we go, see, look at that. So this is wiping on stain. Right, we wipe the stain off. Yeah. Look cool. Yeah, let's set this camera up somewhere. So can we both posing it? Posing it, just falling apart. Right. Thumb's completely gone.
So the M61 in the last couple of minutes.
Just that much better, it stands out. So in between coats, give it a very quick slight rub down, get off any sticky up bits. I'd say easier to explain to people who have no idea about finishing. So if you ever notice when you've been varnishing stuff, it won't feel very smooth. As you can see, it's not looking quite red like that, so that's what I'm after with this red mahogany. You didn't see that, did you? What's going on the floor? Oh yes, that is red, isn't it? Right. Yeah, red. You agree? Right, let's wipe it off quickly. Supposed to be watching. It's not easy this, you know. To the front. How's about I just stop showing you now because you've seen it before. I'll get it to polish it. Do better when it's on the floor. Just do wait till this is polished. It's all good. And you can see it's not polished, you can see the grain. Right, so there you go. Look at the hand, it's all blown up again. So it's a lot better, it's a deeper colour. Like I said, this happens in stages. So that's just stained. So that's the chest. Right, so that's now dry. Let's get the gloves on. Wax on, wax off. So we'll get the wax on. Skip it again, but people might want to watch someone with it's fireworks. I'm not speeding it up, I'm just moving fast. I wish I was that good at editing.